Hello architects and engineers. So today we are going to see how we can make a customized shed at engineer.com. So on the left hand side you can see there are multiple options like basic dimensions, columns, awning, mezzanine floor. So let's go to the basic dimensions tab. We have here a floor display. You can add on floor or remove the floor. You can choose the units, you can add roof type, lean to, lean to right, and American barn. We'll go with the cable right now, and you can adjust the pitch of the shed by moving the slider, or you can just type in your desired pitch and you can change the width, you can adjust the wall height, and you can add number of bays, and you can type in the bay spacing for your shed. And also if you want to change only one single bay, then you can type it here manually like this. And let's go to columns tab and see which options we can use here. So if you want to remove the girds from the side wall, you can select this option one by one, and you can remove the girds like this, and you can add center columns. You can add awnings on the left hand side and right hand side, and you can give it some offset to move the awnings up and down, and you can change the length of the awning. Here we have a mezzanine floor. You can just toggle on the mezzanine floor and adjust the height. You can change the height, you can change the width, you can add walls, and here we have some door options. On the front door we have some basics, multiple types of the roller door, and door types like roller door, sliding door. Similarly, you can add windows like this, and you can change the dimensions, you can change the width and height, you can give it some offset if you want to adjust the position of the window, you can give it. You can add some clear light like this. Let me change the position. You can move the skylight, and you can adjust the width also. like this, and you can export it to the PDF by writing the address and then hit this export as PDF button, and you can send design request. You can capture some views by taking the snapshot, and we have these elevations tab. um, if you change anything, it will reflect on these tabs. You can give the offset. You can see it is changing in these elevations tab, and here we have roof plan, and we also have floor plan. So that's it.